come back again with Learning Thai with Book today. And today I would like to teach you or talk about this word. It is support. S-U-P-P-O-R-T. Support. Support in English, but in Thai we can say ให้ความสนับสนุน or in short สนับสนุน 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 So in this word, when we make up the sentence, we can say like I support him by giving him some money to pay the tuition fee. I support him for giving him some money to pay the tuition fee. I support him ฉันสนับสนุนเขา by giving him some money โดยการให้เงินบางส่วนกับเขา to pay the tuition fee เพื่อจะไปจ่ายค่าเทอม so in conclusion I support him by giving him some money to pay the tuition fee ฉันสนับสนุนเขาโดยการให้เงินบางส่วนเพื่อจะให้เขาไปจ่ายเงินค่าเทอม okay for this case it's like support by giving out something to make some people or to other people to have a better life. I support him to have more education by giving him some money. So in this case, one more time together with me, support สนับสนุน in Thai สนับสนุน สนับสนุน okay in case that you have any question just let me know leave me some comment or support my channel by share the video or press the subscribe thank you very much and see you for the next time bye bye